In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Helldivers 2 crashing. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are having trouble running Helldivers 2 on PC during day 1, I'm going to present a lot of fixes that might help you. I was having trouble running it on my AMD GPU and AMD CPU, and I noticed a lot of users were as well. After trying a bunch of methods, I was able to finally find some troubleshooting steps that helped me diagnose and fix the issue. So the first thing that you should do is right-click Helldivers on Steam, go over to Manage, and then browse local files. When you arrive on this folder where the game is installed, go over to bin, and what you should do here is right-click GameGuard and then delete this folder. So make sure you delete the GameGuard folder. To my knowledge, GameGuard is the anti-cheat software that they use, and sometimes it has trouble acquiring all the installation files necessary for it to work. So if you delete these files, you will be granted a fresh install the next time you run the game. I'm not going to delete it right now because, like I said, I already fixed my issues, so just make sure you delete it on your own. The next thing that you should do is find helldivers2.exe, go into the properties, compatibility, and make sure that you run this program as an administrator. With these two steps done on the game installation folder, open up a web browser and download Visual C++ Redistributable for Visual Studio 2012 Update 4. Now, this might seem like a weird step because I assume most people who play games on PC already have this installed, but this actually helped me troubleshoot my issues when I was trying to launch the game. All that you have to do is repair the installation. I don't know why this worked because I had never gotten any errors related to Visual C++ Redistributable, but after I repaired my installation of this specific version and update, the game worked. So I'm recommending it for you as well. The process is super simple and you don't even have to restart your computer. Once this is repaired, you can try going ahead and launching the game on Steam, but there are two additional steps that you can take. The first one is to right-click the game. If it doesn't work, go over to Properties, Installed Files, and then verify the integrity of the game files. This is going to reacquire any files that might have been corrupted or deleted by accident. The last thing that I would recommend is trying to launch the game through the executable file instead of clicking play on Steam. I don't know if this is mandatory, but I noticed that using the executable file sometimes helped me launch the game faster and without any issues related to the anti-cheat or the installation. But like I said, I believe this is optional. You can still use the Steam launcher if you prefer, and as you can clearly see on screen, the game is now fully working for me. So I hope one of these methods helps you troubleshoot your issues. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Helldivers 2 crashing. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.